Welcome again to another lecture series, and this time we are going to tackle professional conduct and ethical standards, and this is governed by Republic Act 6713, no, or the Professional and Ethical Standards. Okay, so this is essential, no, this is very important for our uniform members, for our PNP or the Philippine National Police. Okay, as any member, no, or any member of the society of the PNP. So this is so because they are entrusted with the law enforcement. Okay, the rules, the regulation, the ordinances that is created by our city or by our municipality, and the laws of the land that is created by the Congress, of course, that guide the conduct of society. Okay? So, lahat po ng hanay ng ating PNP or the Philippine National Police dapat mag-abide sila o kaya sumunod po sila, no, sa RA 6713. Again, that is professional and ethical standards, no? So, nandun din, no, dapat po pagsalbihan nila yung mga mamamayan, tayo as a member of a democratic community. No, after all, that is their job to protect the people and their property. No, aside pa po dyan, they shall bear faithful allegiance to the government, no, to the Republic of the Philippines. Okay, and dapat po maging loyal sila sa kanilang serbisyo kasi yun yung kanilang sinumpaang tungkulin, no? So ngayon, pag-aaralan naman po natin ngayon yung ethics. Okay, what is ethics? Okay, ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos. No, ibig sabihin, characteristic way of acting. No, it is the branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles. It is the science of the morality. Okay, it is the science of the morality of human acts. Ano po ba yung sinasabi nating morality? It deals with moral principle. Ano ibig sabihin ng morality? No, it is the principles concerning the distinction between right and wrong or good and bad behavior. No? Ito yung mga principles na nagsasabi sa atin o nagpapaalala sa tama at mali. No? That is ethics. Okay? Moral principles, no? That governs a person's behavior or the conduct of an activity. No? It is a particular system of values and principles of conduct, especially one that is held by a specified person or society, no, like the public officers or kaya yung ating mga law enforcement officers. Okay, so meron din tayong tinatawag na police ethics, no, a practical science that treats the principles of human morality and duty if it is applied to law enforcement. Yung ating RA 6713, no, nandoon yung police ethics. Okay, so let's distinguish the difference between professional ethics and ethical standards. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng professional ethics? So professional ethics is a set of moral code to which every profession must subscribe. No, they must abide, they must follow. It guides the professional or whoever professional is this. It could be our law enforcement officer, our public officers, no? Okay, where the law is silent or inadequate. While the ethical standards, this shall refer to established and generally accepted moral values. Okay, so to sum it all up, ang kaibahan nitong dalawa is when we say professional ethics, it rules for a specific professions. Okay, specific professions. It rules for how people in a certain job, how they should behave. Okay, while the ethical standards, it means these are the general moral values that is accepted by the society. Okay, so this is the basic ideas of right and wrong, no, that everyone should follow these ethical standards. Okay, so now let us talk the basis. Now, what is the basis? Ano po ba yung basis ng police customs and traditions? Okay, so the PNP, they adopts the generally accepted principles and traditions based on the desirable practices of the police service. Okay, aside from that, this shall serve as an inspiration, no, as the PNP endeavors to attain its goals and objectives, no. Itong mga customs na to, itong mga traditions na ito, it guide and inspire our members of the PNP in achieving their goals and in fulfilling their duties. So ano ba yung kanilang goals and mission? To protect, to serve people, no, to protect life and property, to fulfill that one. These are their inspiration. Okay, so what do you mean by customs and traditions? Ano ba ang kaibahan ng customs and tradition? Custom is the established usage or social practices that is carried on by traditions that had obtained the force of the law. Okay, the customs are accepted practices, no, that is realized through the continued usage, no, that take the force and effects of the common law. Yung custom po is mga practices, no, again, or mga ways of doing things na sinusunod, no, ng ahensya ng gobyerno, okay, or ng mga public officers, no, or ng mga tao for a long time, no? Because they have been repeated and accepted over many years, no? They become so strong and parang nagpa-function na siya like a law in guiding the behavior. Okay? So yung tradition naman po, these are bodies or beliefs, stories, no? Customs effect of an unwritten law. Okay, they are inherited principles, no? The tradition, they are inherited principles. They are inherited standards. No, they are accumulated experiences that is passed by generation to generation, both memory and both in reality. No, it is the passing down of the beliefs, yung mga stories, customs, no, and way of doing things from again, generation from one to the other. Yung mga tradition na ito po is this become a guide, no, on people's behavior, like unwritten rules and come from the shared experiences of those before us. Okay? So, next is police customs and traditions. Okay? So, let's talk now, pag-aaralan po natin ngayon. Let's have a glance, no? Actually, this is just a short discussion, short introductions, no? Yung mga ilan sa mga provision, ilan sa mga nasa loob ng RA 6713, no? Kasama na dyan yung police customs and traditions in which the PNP adopts the generally accepted or acceptable principles or customs and traditions based on the desirable practices of the police, no? And this shall serve as the inspiration as the Philippine National Police endeavor, no, to attain their goals, their objectives. Okay? So, ilan ito sa mga police customs. Okay? Okay, number one is the custom on courtesy. Okay, what is courtesy ba? No, this is a manifestation or this is an expression. Eh, kagaya ng pagsalute. No? That is courtesy. Nagko-courtesy ka sa higher rank sa'yo. No? That is a manifestation or expression of respect. That is a sign na ikaw, nire-respeto mo yung nakakataas sa'yo or other people. Okay? The number one that is being observed by the members of the PNP or our law enforcement officers, salute. O, isa yan sa form ng courtesy. Custom on courtesy. This is the usual greeting that is rendered by uniform members upon recognizing person entitled to salute. So, meron din tayong natawag na salute to national color and standards. Okay, yung ating mga PNP members, pag anong ginagawa nila, no? They stand at attention and salute the national color and standard, the flag, as it passed by them or when the national color is raised or lowered during ceremony. Okay? So, address, another form of customs and courtesy. Address or title, yung mga junior in rank, yung mga nasa mababang uri, charot. Okay, mababang rank, no? Like mga police corporal. Okay, yan yung pinakabababa, no? Ay, no, hindi yan. Police patrol woman pala at saka patrolman. And then the next is police corporal, no? So, may bago na pala. Hindi na siya PO1, hindi na police officer 1. Okay, so junior in rank address senior members who are entitled to salute with the word, of course, sir. Okay, that is a form of courtesy. Yan yung custom na nakasanayan, no? Courtesy calls, meron ding mga courtesy calls. So, ano ba yung mga courtesy calls? Okay, these are the following na mga courtesy calls, mga customs on courtesy calls. Number 1 is, okay, courtesy call of newly assigned or appointed members. Okay, the PNP members who are newly appointed, okay, bagong appoint ka sa posisyon na yan, bagong happy or head ng unit or ng command, call on the chief of the unit or command and to other key personnel for accounting, orientation, and other purposes. Okay, meron ding New Year's call. Okay, yung ating call, no, yung ating PNP members, they pay a New Year's call on their commanders. Okay, or yung kanilang CO, no, or key official in the respected areas of responsibility. Okay, mga courtesy. Okay, and aside from that, promotion call, yung mga bagong na-promote na mga member ng ating PNP, they call on their unit head. No? On this occasion, they're usually given during recognition and congratulations. Okay, no, congratulations ng peers for such deserved accomplish. Okay, or accomplishment. Exit call, meron ding exit call, no? The PNP members pay an exit call on their superiors, no, in the unit or command, okay, when relieved or reassigned out of the said unit or command. Okay, courtesy of the post, no, the host unit extend hospitality to visiting personnel, okay, who pay respect to the command or the unit. Okay, RHIP, rank has its own privilege. Okay, the PNP members recognize the practice, no, that different rank carry with them corresponding privilege. No? Okay, lahat ng mga klase-klaseng rank, meron niyang silang mga sariling mga privilege, no, depending on the rank. Okay, the more higher rank, the more responsibility then, and then the more corresponding privilege then. No? Okay, and then now, let's talk now about custom on ceremonies. Yan, ano naman yung mga customs pag may mga ceremonies. Okay, one of these ceremonies is flag raising ceremony. Anong ginagawa ng ating PNP member during flag raising? They honor the flag, of course, by raising it, singing the national anthem before the start of the officials' day's work for the week, no, Monday. Okay. Flag retreat. Ito yun naman yung pagbaba, no? At the end of the official's day's work to PNP members, pause for a moment to salute, no? The lowering of the flag. Okay, half-mast, the flag is raised at half-mast in difference. Okay, pag merong mga namatay na mga uniformed personnel or civilian member of the command. Okay, funeral service and honor. So, yung mga namatay naman na mga uniform members, yung ating members ng PNP, nag-retire, mga veterans war, are given vigil. Ano ibig sabihin ng vigil? Is pagpupuyat, no? Okay, pumupunta sila sa lamay, nagpupuyat, no? Necrological services, nandoon yan. May mga ilan na nakabantay, no? And graveside honor is a gesture of farewell. Okay, napapaputok pa nga yan sila eh. No? Ceremony rendered to retirees, no, and recognition of their long, faithful, and honorable service to the PNP. A testimonial activity is tendered in their honor. Merong mga mag-testimony, no, as to the recognition of the service of the retired na personnel or members ng ating PNP. Okay, so next is honor ceremony. Okay, arrival and departure honor ceremonies are tendered to visiting dignitaries, yung mga BIP, no, or PNP officers of equivalent grade. Okay, turnover ceremony, the relinquishment and assumption of command key position is publicly announced in a turnover ceremony by the incoming or outgoing officers in the presence of the immediate superior or his representative and key officials. Meron ding wedding ceremony. Anong ginagawa nila pag may wedding? Yung kanilang kasamahan. During a marriage of the PNP member, isa sa mga ating kapulisan, no? Okay, kinakasal. So our ceremony is conducted with participants and uniform and sworn drone. Okay, nagdo-drone sila ng sworn. Okay, anniversary, no? Pag may anniversary naman, the birth or institutional establishment of a command or unit is commemorated and meron ding anniversary ceremony. These are all part of the courtesy, no? Part of respect, no? Okay. And then custom and social decorum. Okay, let's talk about custom and social decorum. Ano ba yung proper attire ng ating PNP? They shall always wear appropriate and proper attire, no, in conformity with the occasions, no? Kung ano yung okasyon, they should wear proper attire. Table manner, syempre, sila una yung tinitingnan ng public, no? So, in the eyes of the public, they are the role model. So, kaya they set as the standards. Okay? Table manner. So, they observe table etiquette at all times. Mag-iba, no? Ibang-iba yung ating uniform members kaysa sa mga civilians. Okay? Social graces, the PNP members conduct themselves properly in dealing with the people during social functions. Okay? They must wear themselves. And their uniform appearance, so the public looks upon PNP members. So, sabi ko a while ago, sila yung look up rather, no? As distinctively decent. So, dapat yung ating mga PNP, sila yung una-una, decente tingnan, mabango, no? Okay, they wear their uniforms properly. Okay. Kaya nakikita nyo, pag may dumadaang pulis, no, ang gandang tingnan kasi they're really set the inaalagaan talaga nila yung kanilang mga sarili, no? Okay? And then the manner of walking, no, their guide, every PNP member is expected to walk with pride and dignity. Dapat taas, no, na parang parang hindi corrupt, no? Okay, na parang you are loyal. Okay, na para bagang proud na proud ka na ginawa mo yung trabaho mo, parang ganun. Walk with pride. Okay? So, because pride is a symbol of confidence, no? Confidence that you really did your job well. Okay? And confidence which is you really law-abiding officers, no? Okay, aside from that, there are other police customs. Okay, visiting the sick, mga ating PNP members na hospital, no, their residence or any place of confinement are visited by their immediate commanders or their CO. No, kung wala, yung mga ubang officials, no, in the unit. Okay, pumupunta yan. Survivor assistance to heirs of deceased members. Okay, yun naman yung mga naiiwan. Okay, kunyari sa makabilang buhay na yung members ng ating PNP, yung mga naiiwan. Okay, a survivor officer is designated render maximum assistance to their legitimate bereaved, no, yung kanilang mga asawa. Okay, until all benefits due shall have been received. Okay, and visiting a religious leaders. Okay, the PNP members or officers visiting a religious leader in their area of assignment to establish or maintain rapport and cooperation between the different religious leaders and the PNP. Okay? And then, kasi unang-una, dapat yung ating members ng PNP is mga relihiyoso yan sila, no? Okay? Athletics. Okay, all PNP member must undergo in physical fitness activities, okay, to ensure their proper physical appearance. Okay, di ba ngayon sinusubaybayan na yung kanilang weight, no? And bearing are maintained with the waistline measurement always smaller than the size of his chest. Yan talaga dapat. Anong taon ba yun yung grabe na halos lahat na halos makikita natin mga pulis, no? Malalaki ang tiyan. Kaya yun, binabansagan silang malalaki ang tiyan, no? Okay, pero it should be the waistline measurement always smaller than the size of his chest and in conformity with the standards set by the organization. So ngayon parang stricto na sila, no, with the weight. Okay? Happy hours. Meron silang happy hours din. Okay. Usually Fridays or any other day suitable for the occasion. Okay, the PNP members gather at PNP clubhouse or for a high-hearted jesting or airing of minor gripes. Okay? So those are the topic no that is covered by this week no as stated in your outcome based learning plan no. Okay, thank you so much everyone.